Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to generate an SSH key on GitHub. So the first thing to do is to open your web browser, either if it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any web browser that you are using. After that you will need to go to github.com. And now we will need to create an account so we can be able to use the GitHub services. So basically all we need to do is to click on sign up and then it will redirect us to the sign up page. And now you need to add your email, then gmail.com or any other email that you are using. You click on continue, you create a password. So if it was anything like that, you click on continue and then you will add a username, for example whatever the username was. Now you will need just to type yes or no if you want to have the emails and announcements. So click on no if you don't want to, and then you will need just to solve as a verification, you solve this puzzle. So we start this puzzle, identical object, we do like this, and then you will do like that, and then you will create an account. So basically after you create an account, all you need to do is to verify your email by having copying the code that will be sent to your email, and then you will just paste it here and you will be able to create a new account on GitHub. After that it will sign in you and you will have access to use the GitHub repository. And basically now all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. So after that you have logged into your account, now we will need to start a new git bash. So just search for the git bash and then, or you can just add a prompt, like a prompt command or a terminal, and then you will need to have this command, and it is the SSH keygen. So basically here you will add just this command, and then you will need to add your email here. So I'm just going to change your email here. So you can just have some example at example.com, and then it should normally generate a public key or private key. So basically here you will enter the file in which to save the key. Just name it whatever you want. Sage, enter a part. Okay, so and now it started generating the key, and as you can see this is the image of the key, and as you can see this is the fingerprints of the key. So you can just have it here, you can just copy it and then just use it wherever you want. So after that you will just use it on your GitHub, or you can use it in whatever you want. So basically this is how you can generate an SSH key. Thank you for watching and see you next time.